So, this is the Trail Rider BMX team, and we're going to be doing a showcasing and bike check of all of our bikes. We got me, my friend Bubba, and my friend that's behind the camera, if you would show yourself. Look at this dude. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get to doing the bike checks and stuff, and yeah, so we'll see you there. Alright, so I'm going to go first, and my bike, I'm going to start off with the frame. It is a mongoose frame, but it's really light, and yeah. Oh yeah, we got the pedals. They are stolen Thermalite pedals. They work really good, and I don't know what else to say. Oh yeah, we got a gold chain. There's mid-sealed bottom bearing brackets, whatever, in them. They are better than just. They have 3-piece cranks. Yeah, which is good. ODIs.
We're not sponsored by any of these brands.
No. We got dice on the rims for the caps, and I don't know. I think that's it. And we got a brake. One thing I like about brakes is if you're going down like a street that you're going like really fast, if there's a car that's like going down not down the street, but down the sidewalk, and you're going really fast, and then there's a car going down, pulling out, you can just pull the brakes and you'll be safe. So, that's happened to me before. I almost died. Started sliding. And yeah. So, we're gonna go with Joey now. And I'll see you when you'll see him when we're done. One.
Okay, I got a hyper frame, and I got a hyper, and it's really light, and this is the frame that I did my first bunny hop, J hop, and lift my back tire up. And I like the seat. I got 2 different pedals. I got a VJ50 on this side, and then I got some muddy pedal, I think I'm gonna call that. And then I got a show them the logo.
Oh, the hyper.
And then I got 2 different rims. This is for my old bike, and this is for my very old bike. I like both of them because I think it's just different for BMX. So I got mongoose handlebars, spray painted back. I got ODIs like Dominic. Yeah, that's really all about my bike, except that I got a I got a matte chain that changes colors a little bit. It was from like a grayish to a greenish. I got a small sprocket.
I don't really see the greenness.
Oh.
Whatever. You got sort of a small sprocket.
I got sort of a small sprocket, I guess. I was one that was filming in the first part of the video, so.
Yeah. And then we just got that one dog.
Neo.
Well, let me zoom in on him.
Look at the camera, man. Look at the camera. Yep.
Let me zoom in on him. Oh no.
I can see it right there. Look behind you guys. What? Look in the fish tank.
Just look at him. Alright. So, we'll see you with the other one. Alright, so, we just got, what are you doing?
Man, you know, I'm the real, I'm a real gamer of the century here, guys.
Yeah. No.
Nah, but he's
All right, but so one of our other teammates type thing of the trail rider BMX thingy is here, and he's gonna be our. He's mad about some hot Cheetos. Yeah.
Hot fries.
Hot fries, same thing. Anyways, he's gonna be recording a lot, and
I might hop on the bike once in a while.
he might sometime get a bike.
Boy, if you don't stop.
All right, now explain your bike.
Alright, so I got a DK frame. And
Did you introduce me?
yeah,
We already did. See?
it's a DK rim. And then I had got this back rim because I changed the sprocket out because it was big. Because it used to be a racing bike. So we changed the sprocket out. Then we changed the back tire so the back sprocket would be shorter. I mean smaller. And if it was bigger, it would pedal like a mountain bike on gear 1.
Yeah.
And I got a DK seat. Then I switched out my pedals, and they are FP836L.
They are one of the trashiest pedals I've ever seen. And yeah.
And I got ODIs. He's the first one with different colored ODIs than us.
What do you mean? I used to have green ODIs.
Like, in our next video, I might have purple ODI, like a green and a purple ODIs.
That's gonna look ugly.
What?
It's gonna look ugly.
Well, the owner has something to say. But he doesn't have the worst pedal. I do. The worst pedals I do. I have 2 different ones.
Okay. This came from Walmart, by the way.
I did.
Anyways, alright.
Got small bolts.
Oh god, the way he said that. He's got a small bolts in the back, but
Very big bolts in the front.
Yeah. It's supposed to be big bolts in the back and small in the front. Bubba, stop stealing hot Cheetos. And yeah. What he forgot to add is that he's got sealed top, I think it's called bearings
There's a hot Cheeto in there.
in it. And
I added a hot Cheeto to it.
What?
I added a hot Cheeto to it.
and yeah, so we will see you later in the next video.
Alright.
And bye.
Hold up.
Wait.
We gotta play our leaving away music. Like, the closing music.
I thought we're not allowed to have music
Yes,
in
you are.
this.
Yes, you are. As long as you don't, you gotta keep it under 30 seconds.